Imagine this: you've forgotten your password, PIN, or pattern, and now your Samsung phone is completely locked. Whether you're upgrading, passing the phone to someone else, or simply need to reset it, you're stuck because you can't get past the lock screen. It's frustrating when you can't access your phone, but don't worry, there's a solution. In today's video, we'll show you how to perform a factory reset on a Samsung phone, even if it's locked, so you can start fresh and regain access. Let's get started. The first choice is DroidKit, your simplest and most reliable solution. It is a professional Android unlocking tool that can easily unlock all types of screen locks such as pattern, PIN, numeric password, fingerprint, and so on. It can also factory reset Android phones without a password. DroidKit is compatible with over 20,000 models, including Samsung tablets, Huawei, Xiaomi, and more. Firstly, download and install DroidKit on your computer, then launch the app and select Screen Unlocker feature from the main menu, then connect your locked Android phone to the computer using a USB cable. Now click Remove Now option. Once the configuration file is ready, then follow the on-screen instructions to put your phone into recovery mode and wipe the cache partition. Now DroidKit will begin the unlocking process. Once it's finished, your Samsung will be reset, and no password will be required. You can also use Google's Find My Device feature, which can help you reset your Android phone through another device if you remember your Google credentials. Firstly, go to the Find My Device website on your computer or another phone, and log in with the Google account that is linked to the locked phone. Then select your phone from the list of devices. Now click on the Erase Device option, then Confirm, and Google will remotely wipe your phone, resetting it to factory settings. This method will erase all data, but if you have a backup with Google, you can restore it later. And there you have it. 2 quick and easy ways to factory reset your Samsung phone when you are locked. Whether you use Google's Find My Device or DroidKit, both methods will get the job done smoothly. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give us a like, subscribe to our channel, and leave any questions in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.